Nice.
I hope you can hold this one for the fishing. Shoo! Alright, walk down. Alright, now come up with it. Not in the tree, not in the tree. Get ready, because she's probably going to go back that way. Yep. Walk her up, low. Keep up with it, keep up. Alright, that's good. You're doing what you're doing. Just want to try to keep her off that bank. Alright, stop that. That's way too fast. Alright, good. Lift up on her. Real soft. Walk her up. Let her run. Good. Walk down. Good. Alright, so now I need you to get that above your head. Nothing too crazy, alright? You good right there? Another 26, 27-inch fish. Nice and slow, don't power. We ain't grouper fishing. Go on. Remember, drop it low, she comes over in. There you go, come up.
Tight, keep tight.